Hey guys, Matt with Alligator Performance here, and this is the product review for the AirDog II-4G. This particular pump is a 200 gallon per hour pump made for the 05 and up Dodge Cummins, part number A6SABD029, available at alligatorperformance.com. So why do I need an aftermarket lift pump? Supply and filtration. The lift pump is designed to supply your injection pump with the proper fuel pressure to maximize your injector's performance and longevity. In some applications, such as the Duramax, they do not have a factory supply pump, and there's only so much a CP3 pump can pull before performance flatlines. The Dodge Cummins comes with a factory supply pump, but it's prone to failure over time, and it too has performance restrictions when jumping into higher fuel demands. The AirDog II-4G is the next generation of fuel delivery systems. The 4G will help increase fuel economy, increase power output, increase torque output, provide longer injector life by preventing cavitation and giving the proper 2 microns of filtration, improve throttle response, and optimizes your engine's performance. The AirDog II-4G utilizes a dual feed G-Rader pump. Its low amperage motor provides efficiency, which in turn helps longevity of the pump. The self-aligning motor requires less maintenance and reduces noise levels. Its intermediate pump shaft separates the motor from fuel, which fixes the old pump model failures we used to have. And the AirDog design is small and compact. It's only about 7 inches wide and 10 inches tall. The AirDog II-4G comes with an all-inclusive installation kit. It includes the relay control wiring harness with nice factory-style electrical connectors, a fuel module upgrade for factory in-tank pump applications, all fuel fittings required for the pump, half-inch fuel lines with OEM-style quick connect fittings, which simplifies the install, the heavy-duty bracket and spacer. This mount is designed to sandwich the frame, and it is adjustable so you can install right where you want it. Includes mounting hardware, plastic zip ties, and their installation manual, which is pretty simple. But if something does get confusing, or if you come across any install questions, don't hesitate to give our experienced tech team a call. Alright guys, I'll leave a description and some links below to our website, and if you have any questions, shoot us a message on live chat, connect with us on social, or give us a shout at 866-255-7212. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more product reviews.